Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, I have been wanting to try this foundation for a long time. I've not really seen anyone talk about this foundation here on YouTube, but I'm just super curious. I've been looking for a dupe for, well, something similar to the Bourjois Healthy Serum, which I'm obsessed with. That was the very first foundation I ever bought, and that was the foundation I loved and swear by because I loved the gel formula to it. It was just so good. And I also love the W7 Legend foundation, I think it was called. It's the one that's a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear, so just in case that one ever discontinues, I can find something else. So I'm gonna give this foundation a go. I'm gonna try it on, give it a couple of hours wear test, and let you guys know my thoughts about this foundation. So if you guys are gonna enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Revolution Pro foundation drops, just keep watching. Alright guys, let's test out the Revolution Pro foundation drops. Couldn't get my words out then. Nearly slipped up, nearly. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it's pretty much a glass bottle with a dropper. So there is another word for it, but I'm just going to call it a dropper because that's what we all know. So you've got a little dropper here, and it just says on the back of it, foundation drops. That's all it says. I was really keen to try this foundation because I love anything that's sort of serum based foundations. That's just, my skin seems to love that. I'll put the price of this on screen as well. So I picked up the shade F3, so I'm hoping this is the right shade for me. And I've also primed my face already using the MUA Rose primer. So I just use like an oil-based primer because I know the oil-based primers are the best ones to use when I'm testing out any foundation. So, doesn't really have a scent, so there's no smell. It's a very runny texture. It is so runny. So I'm just going to start with first drops. I don't think this is going to be a bad shade for me. I know I shouldn't really use a sponge for this because the sponge is just going to suck it all up, but I really like using sponges, so I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sponge and we're just going to apply this foundation, sorry. Okay, so far this is a very dewy foundation. It is really dewy. Matched my skin perfectly. It's a very sort of light coverage at the moment, but it's understandable because I did use a sponge and it is more of a liquidy texture. So maybe to use a brush you might get more coverage. But let's build it up. Let's see if we can get any more, and let's see what it looks like. Obviously, yeah, built up. Yeah, I'm just adding loads, guys. I'm just going to town. Okay. Sponge, here we go. Wow, guys, I look really shiny right now. The finish is beautiful. I love this finish. I'm just gonna have to zoom you guys closer so you can see a bit better. Look at this texture. It is so smooth. You can see a lot of shine going through my skin right now. It is so shiny. I love the finish. My skin looks smooth. It looks healthy. It looks dewy. This is definitely full. You can build this up to full coverage for sure. Absolutely full coverage. Definitely. But I love the finish of this. It looks so nice. And it doesn't look too heavy either. As you guys saw, I went in with quite a lot of foundation. I went in with a lot. And it hasn't made my face look cakey. It hasn't made it look, yeah, too much. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's like too much makeup or anything. But for oily skin, I think you're going to have to stay far away from this, because this is definitely going to over-exaggerate the oils, because it's so shiny. And look at that shine. There's just so much shine going on my face right now. Maybe if you use a mattifying primer, you might be able to get away with it just a little bit. But yeah, this has got some impressive coverage, and I'm kind of obsessed. I really, really like this. Okay, I'm just going to add some cream products on top just to see what they blend like on top of the foundation. So just going to go in with my B contour stick in the shade Light. Just going to apply this. We're just going to see what the products are like on top and how they blend with cream. And I'm also going to go in with my Kiko cream blush stick as well. This was in the shade 01, so I'm going to go with this on top. Okay, I'm just going to blend this out, guys, and I'll let you guys know how it all blended. So far that cream contour is blending out like a dream. I'm just going to use my sponge and blend out the cream blush now on top. Oh my gosh, this is all blending together so beautifully. I can't get over how nice this is. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Stunning. I've got to mention as well, I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer as well and blend that underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to set my face and let you guys know how it all works out together. Okay, so I've just finished adding my highlighter. It was just an old Kiko highlighter. It was the Ocean Feel Golden Vibes highlighter. I love this so much. And I set my face with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and this is the light shade. But guys, I am obsessed with this foundation. I love the way it looks on my skin. It looks flawless. It just looks smooth. It isn't over exaggerating any texture on my skin. I love it. I'll just bring you guys closer again so you can see it's not showing hardly any texture at all. And yeah, it's got rid of some of the shine, but it's understandable when you set your face. But everything blended like a dream. Everything blended so nicely. But yes, I love this foundation so far. It is so beautiful. I love it. Oily skin people, be very careful when using this. Maybe use a mattifying primer or stay away from it. Revolution, they do like the Revolution Conceal and Define. That's more for oily skin. If you're looking for like a full coverage foundation, that one is designed for oily skin. They have got the Define and Glow, which isn't as dewy as this foundation drops that I'm wearing. So with a mattifying primer, you probably could get away with that one. But I love it. I just love this foundation, guys. I love it. I love it. I love the texture. I love how it glided on my skin. I love it. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look too heavy. I think it looks so, so nice. So I have noticed the last couple of times with my foundation wear test, I haven't been doing, well, a wear test with it. So I can't do a long wear test, unfortunately. So I'm going to leave this on for probably just a couple of hours. So I'm just going to insert a clip now, a couple of hours later. Hey guys, it's currently been a couple of hours now. So I'm pretty much ready to take my makeup off now. So as you can see, I'm just going to clean the lens quickly. There you go. Let's see. So you can see it's been 2 hours. So the foundation still looks good. I also did a bit of exercising as well. So yeah, to just build up some sweat. So I apologize for the lighting. It's not the greatest in here, but it still looks really, really good. Yeah, it still looks really, really good. No other oils have leaked through or anything. I'm sorry that the wear test isn't long enough, but 2 hours, I guess, is better than nothing. but it still looks really good. I love how my base looks. It looks so, so nice. So I really dig this foundation. For all you dry skin girls out there and boys, if you want a dewy foundation that gives such a flawless base and nothing dehydrating, then you will love this foundation. You will absolutely love it. I really, really like this foundation. I love how it looks on my skin. I'm obsessed. I'm just absolutely obsessed. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.